Hello everyone, my name is Kelsey. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to be showing you 25 different outfits that I styled using only 6 different pieces. So if you have a smaller wardrobe, or if you're just trying to stay on a budget, this is perfect whether you're going back to school or maybe you work. It's a great way to get a lot of looks out of a very small amount of clothes. I just have a pair of jeans, a white t-shirt, a black silky dress, you could use any dress you have, a printed wrap skirt, a white button-up blouse, mine is long enough to wear as a dress, and then a denim jacket that is only slightly oversized. And I also only allowed myself to accessorize with a belt and my everyday purse, which is obviously whatever you have. The first outfit that I have is wearing the button-up blouse as a dress. I typically wear this really casual with just like a pair of sneakers or something. It's kind of like the same idea of wearing a t-shirt dress. This may not be perfect for school, but just going out, this is fine. And then I also wrap the belt around, and then the next outfit I have is just putting jeans and tucking in the blouse. I'm going to add my belt to this outfit too, but a blouse is a great thing to have in your wardrobe, just a simple button-up shirt, because you can wear them so many different ways. I think I show you maybe 5 different ways I wear this shirt just with the jeans because it's very, very universal. The first thing I'm going to do here is only leave the top couple of buttons buttoned up, and I'm going to tie the bottom into a little wrap top, and wrap tops are something that are super on trend right now. Everybody's wearing and loving wrap tops, and you can actually just do this with any button-up shirt that you own. And then I'm going to wear it off the shoulder, so I basically kept the shirt the same, just open the top button. Off the shoulder shirts are also something that is super popular right now, and it's great for when the weather is a little bit warmer. And then I'm going to keep the shirt off the shoulder and button it up one more button and just leave the rest of it down. I like to tuck in half the shirt. You can tuck in the whole shirt or even leave the whole thing out if you want. Obviously, do this however you personally like. The next outfit that I have, I kept my jeans on, and I have my denim jacket buttoned up, sort of wearing it as a shirt. Love the denim on denim look. Obviously, there's lots of different weather appropriate outfits here. I have some super summery and super wintry, which this is more of a winter look, but I absolutely love this outfit. But if it's a little bit too warm outside wherever you are, you can obviously just pair this with any shirt underneath. I used the plain white t-shirt that I have, and I just left my jacket sort of over my shoulders. I think you look really cool when you do that. Or you can tie it around your waist, or you can just hold on to it, and I just think this is a great, timeless, classic look. This look pretty much never, ever, ever goes out of style. Follow me. Now it's time to bring in my little black dress. I'm just wearing a simple slip dress. It's silk and it's vintage and it fits me perfectly. Obviously wear for your body type whatever dress you think is your favorite and fits you the best. I just like this because it's very flowy, so you can obviously do a lot of different things with. Obviously, the first way I'm wearing the dress is just to wear it as a dress, and you can also, like I did here, tie your belt around your waist to cinch it in. And like I said before, the best part about this dress that I have is that it's flowy, so you can easily tie it into a knot, and then I placed my jeans under this and just wore it like a little top. You can also tuck the dress into your jeans if you like, and this is honestly something I do all the time. There are a ton of dresses I want to wear that if I just don't feel like wearing an actual dress, I will just tuck it into my jeans. Or you can wear the dress and put your blouse over top of it. The belt I use to cinch my waist, obviously it's optional. You can just throw a blouse on over any dress. And then another way that you can wear it is to tie the blouse like a wrap top like we did earlier, but wear it over the dress. And I actually love this combo and wear this a lot. I think it's just a great way to add a little spice to your dress, especially if it's something a little bit more simple like this one that I'm wearing. And then the next thing I did was I grabbed my white t-shirt, and you can wear this over your dress. I love pairing t-shirts and dresses together. Ever since I saw that, I have been in love with it, and I wear this all the time. I just tied it in a little knot at my stomach just to sort of give me more shape. And then also you can put the shirt under your dress, so you can wear it over or under, whichever way you like. And this is probably my favorite way to wear the dress. I mean, I wear tons of my dresses like this with little t-shirts underneath. This next outfit's really fun to explain. It's basically I'm wearing the dress as a skirt, and then I have my skirt as my top. So basically my waist fits pretty much about the same size as around my chest, so I just pulled the skirt all the way up and I tied the little strings that you use for the wrap skirt around the front into a little bow and just wore that over the dress and obviously pulled the straps underneath. And next, I'm going to show you a couple ways to wear the skirt. Obviously, wear the wrap skirt as a regular skirt. And I tucked my little white t-shirt into it. I have a couple other outfits with the skirt as a top too, because I just thought that that was so cool to take advantage of. And you can probably do that with any skirt. I just recommend a wrap skirt because then it's easier to manipulate. But besides tucking a white t-shirt in, you can obviously tuck any shirt into your skirt. So here I have the button-up blouse, and I really love this outfit. This would honestly be good for like the office, if you're working or something like that, or even school if you have like a skirt length. This is definitely, I think, long enough for, I don't know, I was homeschooled. But moving along, then I have the dress tucked under the skirt. So again, kind of like we did before, just wearing this dress as a top and then wearing the skirt. Then I have the skirt back as a little off-the-shoulder top over the jeans. You can wear it long like a little tunic-y top, or you can obviously tuck it in if you have high-waisted pants. That looks really good. But if you didn't want to wear it as an off-the-shoulder shirt, if you wanted straps, the little strings that you use for the wrap skirt, you can actually just tie them in a little knot behind your neck, and it gives you a halter top look, which I actually really ended up liking. And then another way that I tied them was sort of an over the one shoulder. Yeah, a one shoulder top, which is actually really in. I have a ton of them where it's just a one sleeve shirt. I'm sure you guys have seen me wear them before. And I just sort of tucked it into the back of the shirt so that it would stay. And then I have the skirt with the denim jacket as a top. And as you can see here, it looks kind of like cropped, but it's not. I was actually wearing a sports bra, or you can just wear like a tight fitted tank top underneath and just tuck it under. So that way you don't actually have to ruin your denim jacket. If you want it long, but you also want a cropped one, you don't have to cut it. Just wear something tight fit underneath and tuck it under, and that works perfectly. And then I also did the same thing with the dress underneath. I just sort of had the denim jacket tucked up under so it sort of dropped right about on the top of my hip, and then just had the dress flowing underneath like a skirt. Next outfit is the most simple of all the outfits. It is the jean and t-shirt combo, but honestly, I wear this all the time. I love this. This is great for going literally anywhere. Next, I got a little creative and I actually decided to make the blouse into this halter neck tank top. So have the shirt facing you basically like you're going to put it on backwards, and just tie the sleeves around the back of your neck, and then take the bottom of the shirt kind of how we did the wrap top, but tie it around your back. It's a lot simpler if you do it than me explaining it, but it's pretty easy to do. And then another thing that I got creative and did, which I ended up liking more than I thought I would, was wearing the t-shirt over the blouse, and then I left the blouse untucked. I saw this in a magazine and I just thought it looked really good styled just simply with the jeans. And those are all the outfits that I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up to let me know that you did. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the little notification bell to be notified when my next video is up. But I do post videos every single Friday. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!